But you know what? We're going to do a video on how to load sleds. Alright? So welcome to it. Okay, just stay there. There we go. Yeah, just so we don't go on them. Yep. Yeah, it covers this on the ground. Alright. So welcome to another upload of It's a Dyer Thing. I'm here with Mr. Sage and myself. And we're going to show you how to load and unload, but basically load machines, sleds onto a trailer. Unloading it is the same way. Loading it up, you're always better off with two people if you can, right? So basically what you're going to do, you can do it with one. You can always bring the sled up as close as you can, put your foot on this and get your truck up onto it, right?
Do you ride the sled up?
No, you just basically bring the one first. Right, so as you see, this one here has kind of held itself. Then you're going to put the parking brake on, and now you're using the weight of that sled to hold it in place. Here, you want to do this one? Do this one as well, same thing. So that one's where it needs to be. Yeah, put the brake on, hold the brake, give it a bit of gas, right? And let go of the brake as you go. Stand up. Go. Keep on. Okay. Hold the brake. And there we go. We're down. Very simple. Not too hard. And unloading, it's the same thing. You would do one at a time, so you would get them both started. You'd put it in reverse. Make sure the parking brake's on. You undo your latch, so your pivot system. Make sure there's nothing around you. Make sure your car's in park and the handbrake or the parking brake's on. You will back one up until it starts to tilt. As soon as it starts to tilt, you would back it down, but keeping the whole ski assembly, all this, onto the trailer, and then the track on the ground. Put the parking brake on, go over to the next machine. Next machine, you can bring it all the way off, all the way down, put the parking brake on, get back onto the first machine and back it up, and then your trailer will kind of go forward. So, but it's very simple. Getting on, getting off a trailer. Again, two people is a little bit easier. Single person, you can definitely do it anyways. So hopefully this helps you and shows you what to do. Let's tie it down, call it the day. We had fun, we survived. That's all that matters, is we survived.